Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through the process on how you can change your currency on the Paxful mobile application. So to do that, first of all, open your Paxful application and log into your account like you normally do. After logging into your Paxful account, to change your currency, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. This will open up the account interface where you need to scroll down to preferred currency and tap on it. Choose your currency from the drop-down list, and this will be able to change your currency to the one of your preference. This adjustment will affect the display of all transactions, ensuring you view prices and balance in your chosen currency. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.